Hello and welcome back. This is a project that I've been working on since August of 2020, and I knew that I had to start it very early because it was going to be a lengthy process. I basically decided very early on that I was going to design my mom some custom printed fabric for Christmas. I used a service called Spoonflower, which you can create your own design and then upload it and get it printed on a variety of products like yardage of fabric, wallpaper, dishcloths, like basically anything. And so I had to draw it all, and then I had to, go through various iterations, and this is how I did it. So this is my first time ever designing fabric and really trusting my drawing skills. I've been out of practice since high school, so certainly a process, and I think that I wouldn't change anything if I were to do it again. I found that the way that I went about this really worked for me. I essentially designed all of the icons that I wanted on a separate document so I could mess around with it and make mistakes and all that kind of stuff. And then I transferred all of those designs onto another canvas to start the process for making the repeats. So I included strawberries and, teacups, tea bags, teapot, obviously, and a slice of strawberry shortcake and some lavender sprigs because I thought those all kind of represented a spring-inspired tea time for me. And a leaf. I'm not really sure what plant the leaf is supposed to be from, but it's there, so, I've included in the description of this video the link for the video that I used to help me figure out how to do the pattern repeats, and it was really straightforward and simple, so if you're looking at doing a project like this, I would definitely recommend following that tutorial. I found that the plain background with the blue looked a little sparse, and so I went in and added some green polka dots and then just continued the repeat pattern. After I uploaded the design onto the Spoonflower website, I made sure to order some samples because, like I said before, I've never done this and I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Once the samples arrived, I realized that a couple of the colors weren't popping enough, and the design seemed really empty in my opinion. So I went back and I made some changes to my digital file, re-uploaded it, and then ordered the final fabric. So after that whole process, I finally got the final fabric in. I ordered 2 yards, and this is what it looks like. I have no ideas on what to make with it. My mom has no ideas on what to make with it, but hopefully it will be turned into something very lovely very soon.